How to have one name on Facebook using iPhone or iOS. So if you want to have one name on Facebook using iPhone or iOS, then what you need to do is you just need simply open up your Facebook application. Make sure that you have a stable internet connection. After opening your Facebook, go with your profile, go with the three horizontal lines which will be on the top left, and then tap on settings and privacy and tap on settings. Now, once you tap on settings, you need to go with the account center section. Under account center, you need to tap on profiles and then go and select your Facebook. After selecting your Facebook, tap on your name, and then if you want to change your name or if you want to set only one name, then you need to just simply go and remove your first and last name and just add another name. Now go with done and then go with review change, which will be on the bottom, or just simply go with save changes, which will be on the bottom, and it will be changed. Or you can also just split your name into two and tap on done. That's it. That's how you can have one name on your Facebook using your iPhone or your iOS. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.